In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print a single check from Quickbooks. This process is straightforward and should take about 5 minutes to complete. Let's dive right in and make sure your print setup goes as smoothly as possible. To begin, you'll need to sign into your Quickbooks account. Once you're on the sign in page, choose Quickbooks Online from the list of options. After that, enter your credentials, including your username and password, and click Continue to access your account. Now that you're logged in, find the New button, which is located at the top left of your Quickbooks dashboard. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Print Checks. This action takes you directly to the Print Check section, where we'll handle all the settings needed for printing a check. Once you're there, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on Print Setup. This setup wizard is designed to make sure your checks align perfectly when they're printed, minimizing any errors or misalignments. At this stage, you will want to choose Standard for your check style, ensuring compatibility with most standard check paper layouts. After selecting the standard option, click on View Preview and Print Sample. This step is crucial as it allows you to see exactly how your check will look once it's printed. You'll be able to check if everything is properly aligned, which is key for a successful print. If everything looks good in the preview, move ahead to click on the Print button. That will initiate the printing of your sample check. As soon as the sample check has printed, take a moment to carefully place it on top of your actual pre-printed checks to see if it lines up correctly. Now here's a handy tip. If you find that the dollar amount or other details didn't print as they should on your pre-printed checks, simply choose No Continue Setup and adjust your printer alignment accordingly. This adjustment will ensure your actual checks come out with the perfect alignment. However, if the sample check lines up perfectly, go ahead and select Yes, I'm finished. This confirmation will tell Quickbooks that the setup process is complete and that you're ready to print your actual checks with confidence. And there you have it, a straightforward approach on how to print a single check from Quickbooks without any hassle. Following these steps should ensure that your checks come out looking professional and accurate. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Happy printing!